guys, welcome to Rhinofeed. Today I'm reviewing the ARCIDO Fareo Backpack. First up, let's just talk about the materials. So they have their Blentex 600D material. It's a Codra material that's actually super lightweight. It makes this bag 1.8 pounds and 900 grams. The only downside to a lighter material is that it does get a little bit floppy. There's not a lot of structure to this bag, really. The only structure that it has, I would say, is this back padding material. It does make it a little bit more rigid and comfortable on your back and slightly more breathable. It still gets a little bit hot, but at least you've got these grooves here that help out with that. You do have foam padding on the straps, and then there's also a padded strap or a padded handle up top here. You've got a quick access pocket up top here. I just put my charger in here, or you can put some like AirPods or anything else. You don't really want to put something too valuable because this is, of course, on the outside of the bag, so somebody could kind of sneak in there and maybe steal something if they're sneaky about it. There is a better quick access pocket that's on your back where you could put your passport, wallet, and phone, stuff like that that's more important to you. There's also two compartments here. So you have this main compartment. This is for your clothes and travel kind of thing. It is a carry-on size, so you can bring this for one day or one bag travel. So you can put your clothes in here. You have your straps to tie things down. Right now I have like 3 pairs of jeans and then a decent amount of t-shirts. So you have about 3 inches, 4 inches of space on this side, and then it gets deeper, maybe about 5 inches on this side. But at the same time, that's really more of a angle of the zipper because up top here you have a lot of room in this little square here. Then you have your sort of everyday compartment, at least that's what I'm going to call it. So this compartment is the one closer to your back, and this has the organization. So in here I just put a binder. You can put a 15.6-inch laptop. It's kind of a loud bag. Kind of the material itself is loud, but also you've got these Velcro things. So that's what you'd be hearing when you get your laptop. And you pull this, just like that, to get access to your laptop without really needing to open this bag all the way up. So that makes it quicker, but at the same time, I think I would have preferred just a zipper, like a standard laptop compartment that's not so... I don't know, there's a lot going on here, and I have seen this done before on other bags, but I don't know. I just don't like Velcro. I think that's what it is. I just don't like Velcro. But there is, again, the padding on your back also helps pad your laptop. So there's decent protection there. Again, you got a little bit more Velcro. They could have removed that. I don't even think you need a zipper here. And here you have a notebook area, or really whatever you'd want. 4 pens, and then you have a see-through mesh with a zipper, just so you can see what you're doing there. So that's the compartments. Pretty simple, easy to learn. The zippers, they're not YKK or anything. They work well, all right. They're not bad zippers at all. They are not rubberized or weather resistant, really, but I don't think that's a huge deal. It's got a polyurethane coating on the outside and on the polyester on the inside. There's also 2 water bottle compartments that are quite convenient. And I have a 1-liter Camelback that's quite a large water bottle. That fits in there just fine. Do note, however, once you get your main compartment full, it might be a bit of a stretch, pun intended, to put your water bottle here and here. If for some reason you had 2 water bottles. I mean, maybe you're really thirsty. But usually, if you got this full, you'd have an issue fitting a second one there. Other than that, it's really kind of up to style. So I'm going to wear this without anything in it. As you can see, without anything in it, it's kind of a floppy bag. I don't know. It's not that big of a deal, but it does look a lot better when it's full. probably looks better to you. I mean, it does look a lot better to me. Now, as you will notice, there's no sternum strap or anything, but the thing is, these are actually really comfortable shoulder pads, so I'm not really worried about that at all. I think sometimes those clips are kind of annoying, so to be honest, this is fine to me. This is fine. This is comfortable. It's not a big deal. Personally, I would take the weight of a bag and the structure of a bag over the lightness of the bag, but that's really up to you. This is still good material. It's still going to last a long time. It's just whether you want to deal with a floppy-ish bag or not. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to support the channel, check out the link in the description. There is an affiliate link. I would really appreciate it if you do purchase this bag, to purchase it through that link. That'll help me out a lot. Thanks to ARCIDO for sending this out for review. Very much appreciate it. And as always, please rate, comment, and subscribe.